Dear students, after explanation of resistance and resistivity, next topic is combination of resistance. Combination of resistance. This means if two or more resistances are given, how to combine these resistance. How resistances are combined together, connected together. So there are two methods. First method is series combination. Series combination. And second method is parallel combination. Parallel combination. This means resistances are combined in two ways, in series and second in parallels. How two or more resistances are combined in series. So first of all, I am writing here series combination. Series combination. Symbol of resistance, that is R1 is the first resistance. Second resistance is R2. And third resistance is R3. R3. I have taken three resistances. This is the first resistance from here, and once again from here to here, second resistance, and this is the third resistance. This is known as series combination. If anyone asks you, define series combination, your answer will be if two or more resistances are connected end to end. If at least two resistances may be there, two or more resistances are connected end to end, then this combination is known as series combination. This is the definition. If two or more resistances are connected end to end, this means if second end of first resistance is connected to the first end of second resistance, and second end of second resistance is connected to the first end of third resistance. This is known as series combination. Okay, there may be question, calculate the total resistances if three resistances are connected in series. So I am vanishing it here, completing the figure. The end of these resistance are connected to a cell, minus plus. This is the circuit. Let R1, R2 and R3 are three resistances connected in series. Both the ends of this combination are connected to a cell having potential difference V, due to which I current, I for electrical, you know, symbol of current, that is I, due to which I current flows in the circuit. I, capital I, current flows in the circuit. This is the complete circuit. Okay, so what is the equivalent resistance? That means effective or total resistance of this combination. Total since all are in series. So we have to use Ohm's law. You know that resistance here is V. Total voltage supply, that is V. This value will take V1. This will take V2 and this will take V3. This means potential difference of R1 is V1, potential difference of R2 is V2 and potential difference of R3 is V3. Total supply is V. Okay, so V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. From Ohm's law you know V equal to IR and V1 equal to I R1. In series, current will be same through all the resistances. So V1 equal to IR1, V2 IR2 and V3 IR3. I and I cancel. If you take common I will be cancelled. So answer is here R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is the equivalent resistance if three resistances are connected in series. R equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. R1 plus R2 plus R3. This means if two or more resistances are connected in series, we have to calculate total. After getting the sum, we have to add all the three or four resistance to get the answer. Thanks, that's all.